How to set up the automatic payments for Wells Fargo. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to set up automatic payments for Wells Fargo credit card, here are the process. First and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and go to Wells Fargo's account or official website. Next up, tap on Transfer and Pay and then go to the section of Pay Bills. After that, you need to select your credit card under the Payments option. Locate the e-bill icon if available to proceed. If not, tap on Activate e-bills and choose Set up Automatic Payments option. After that, configure the payment settings according to your preferences, and once this is done, you have set up automatic payments for the Wells Fargo credit card. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.